Hi guys, this will be a quick short video for a first look on BRZHIFI STK4196 MK10 stereo amplifier that I got from AliExpress recently. I got actually two of them, two BRZHIFI amplifiers based on STK chipsets. This one was also $120 shipping included. It's bigger than the second one, and it has tone controls and Bluetooth. In the front we have a power rocker, we have tone bypass rocker, and we have two ports for bass and treble control, and we also have volume port. As you can see, it proudly bears the maybe not exactly logo, but the diagram picture of STK Sanyo chipset. There is nothing interesting on the sides, although there is an interesting thing on the top. As you can see, the top lid was screwed to the heatsink underneath, and I think it's also screwed on the bottom. Yes. So in theory it should give better heat transfer to the chassis. In the back we'll find Bluetooth antenna, one set of RCA inputs and one set of speaker outputs. We also have a power cord connector here with integrated fuse compartment. As you can see, I got the AC 220-240 volts version. Okay, so let's take a look inside. And what we can see here, the first thing you have to notice is STK4196 MK10 Sanyo chipset. It's larger than STK in the other amplifier, and this one is supposed to be AB class amplifier. According to the manufacturer description, this is not exactly D class. It should be AB class amplifier. As you can see, we have quite large heatsink. Oh, one more thing that I forgot to mention about the chassis. It's very thick, it's very sturdy, but you have to be careful with the venting holes here, because they can be a tad bit sharp. So don't do something like that, because you can cut your fingers. It doesn't really matter, because nobody normal will be doing something like that using this amplifier, but still be careful. As for the capacitors and for the build inside, this one is using quite cheap pots here. As you can see, we have two operational amplifiers, probably for the left and right channel preamp, and these are JRC 5532 double op-amps. So there is a lot. There is a way to improve this amplifier by replacing them with something nicer sounding, better quality. Okay, the power supply. The power supply is here, is this section. We have a big toroidal transformer, we have a rectifier here, and we have two capacitors. Let me take a look at that. I don't know if you can see that. These are Nover capacitors. Each one of them is 10,000 microfarads, and these are rated for 85 degrees centigrade. It's quite heavy actually. We have a relay here. We have some Niles coils here. Let me show you them. These are definitely looking very nice, like a handmade coils. The capacitors in front, the green ones are Nichicons, and the brown ones here and the blue ones here are Nippon Chemical capacitors. So all in all, quite good choice of caps for the board. And we have another relay by Omron here. What else? What else? What else? The board with inputs is also let me take a look at that. It's also providing support for Bluetooth. I'm not familiar with this particular chipset. Let's try to zoom in. Maybe some of you guys will be able to tell me something more. Yep. BRZHIFI4196A. No, I haven't seen that earlier. And audio input goes through here to the board here. So there will be no simple way of bypassing volume control in case you would be wanting to make that one just a pure power amplifier. All in all, I like the build. I'm quite surprised by the quality of parts used inside, the size of the toroidal transformer, the size of a heatsink, and the weight of this amplifier, especially given the low price. So the question remains, how does it sound? And that's something that I'll be able to answer you after I will do the listening sessions. It may take a while because, as you know, I'm doing all of these in my free time, and for the listening sessions to have anything serious to say, I would need to use like 2 days at least, 2 days with quiet background to do my listening and comparisons. So anyway, I really like the build, especially for the price, but we will see how does it sound. And that's it for this short video. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for a full review and have a very nice rest of your day. Bye.